Hello. Today we're going to talk about how you can make your own MREs. Now, you can make your own MREs by getting all the stuff that you would normally eat for backpacking for one meal and putting it in a large enough sealable bag that you can get on Amazon or any place where you buy supplies for vacuum packing. Basically what I've done is I've taken and created a dinner MRE for one meal. It contains a Mountain House meal, some various snacks and junk food type items, drinks and whatnot, and put them all in the bag, sealed it. Now I didn't suck all the air out of this one because I wanted to not damage anything and just show what the size of the thing a little bit better. But you could suck all the air out and make it more compressed, and that would work. Now, I did do that with one. I don't remember whether this is a breakfast or lunch. I believe this is a breakfast. But you can suck all the air out of them if you need space. And it works pretty well. But anyway, we're going to open this and I'm going to show you what's inside, because this is what I'm probably going to eat tonight. But anyway, broke the seal, opened it, and I've got a pack of cranberries. Now these are items from MREs and various things. They come in handy for making these. The way you can make them the way you want them, not the way the government wanted to put everything in them. I've got caffeinated chocolate pudding. Got some Kool-Aid packets. This is the A&W root beer Kool-Aid packets. These things are awesome. It's just like drinking root beer, except you're not carrying around cans of root beer. And I like these. I buy these at the grocery store. They don't take up any space. And each one of these is one serving in a 20-ounce water bottle. Got some cheddar cheese pretzels. And last but not least, I believe, let's see once I get it out of here. I've got myself a chili mac with beef. Now, as you know, these are Mountain House meals. You can buy these at Walmart. You can buy them in any outdoor store. It's freeze dried, just add water, and you've got a meal. So as you can see, it's pretty complete. You know, you got your main course and you got your snacks and things to go with it, and you got your junk and you got your dessert and you got something to drink. Now, I didn't put salt and pepper in this one and things like that, seasonings. If you want to add that, you can. So usually I just carry a small bottle of Tabasco and some salt and a salt and pepper shaker for whatever I'm doing. But it works pretty good. But this is what I'm going to eat for dinner tonight. It's pretty good. So there's my dinner packet. I also made 2 breakfast and 2 lunch packets. And one's for lunch, one's for breakfast. So as you can see, you take all these items, stack them together. That's one day's worth of food. Just sitting around, you know. And these are complete meals. So if you're doing like an overnight trip, this is all you'd really need. You know, something to eat, you know, the day when you're getting wherever you're going, something to eat that night, and you've got something to eat in the morning when you wake up, and you hop back in your car and go home. So, I don't know, I think it's pretty neat. And if you don't have a vacuum sealer, you can also just seal them with a piece of hot metal. Basically, just heat up a piece of metal on another, and then have another piece of metal, and then stick it down and melt this into a strip. That's what actually seals these. It's just heating that up and flattening it out causes the mylar to bind together. So if you're not worried about air packing them, sucking the air out and everything, you can just use a sealing machine or use one of those sealing bars, or like I said, use your own. Take like a butter knife and heat it up and run it along the top. People do it in different ways, but this is a good way to keep everything organized, and that you have everything for a whole meal. Anyway, hopefully if this video has been useful to you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.